let us now solve the next question of matrices chapter, MCQ question. So the given question is, if A and B are symmetric matrices, if A and B are symmetric matrices, if A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then AB dash minus BA dash is a, this is the question they are asking, and the given options are skew symmetric matrix, and the second question is given as null matrix here. Next is what it is, symmetric matrix, and the next question is next option is none. Okay, so this is the these are the given options for this question. So what they said, A and B are symmetric matrices. If A is symmetric matrix, then it satisfies this condition. If A is symmetric matrix, and they said B is also symmetric matrix. So if you take the transpose of this matrix, it is equal to B only. Now what they are saying, so this the combination of this AB, whether it is skew matrix, skew symmetric, null matrix, or symmetric matrix, they are asking. Okay, so here let us take this as X. Let X is equal to AB dash minus BA dash. So now we have to check for what X is X on taking the transpose of X, whether it is equal to plus or minus A. If it is plus, then it is symmetric matrix. If it is minus, then it is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so let us check here X transpose, no? So here X. Okay, so now here X is what we have taken as this, no? AB dash minus BA dash, AB dash minus BA dash, whole X we have written now, whole transpose is it is equal to, we have to calculate, no? Here we have the property, if it is A plus B whole transpose, then what we have to do, here plus symbol will remain the same, but here the transpose will come individually. So first is what it is, A dash plus B dash. Okay, so like this we can, if it is here individually it will come now. If it is minus, you will get minus. Okay, so here individually transpose will come. So here first element is what it is, AB dash, and this A is written now dash, whole dash minus. Okay, so we have having the second term as BA dash whole transpose. Okay, so now we have another formula, that is if we do the product of two matrices transpose, then our second matrix will come first, transpose of second matrix will come first, then first matrix. Okay, so here first which will come, B dash, so B dash whole dash A dash minus, here second matrix will come A dash whole dash B dash. Okay, and since we have known that here B dash, okay, so another property we have A dash. Okay, now one of the matrix, if A is a matrix, so if we did the A dash, and if we again perform dash again, means once transposed, for example this is 1 2 3 matrix. Okay, now if we did the transpose, then one time it is row is converted into what, column matrix. If we do again transpose, this column matrix again will convert into row matrix. Like this, what it will again comes to the again it will come again. So B transpose, transpose, 2 times transpose means it is remain the same initial value, no? These two must be equal. So here BA dash minus, here A transpose, again transpose means what it is, A B dash. Okay, now so now say here our X is in terms of AB dash minus BA dash now, and we got BA dash minus AB dash. Okay, now so now if we take minus as common, this will come first now, AB dash minus BA dash. Okay, so now we get the answer in minus X transpose. Therefore here we get if it is positive, then it is symmetric, but we got what, negative. Negative means our matrix is what, our X is, this X is what it is, skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now So our A option is correct. So like this we can solve different types of questions. Okay, now they will change this combination. Then what you have to do? You have to simply let whatever is given, take as x value. Then it will be easier to solve. Okay, now without any confusion in the question. Okay.